guys, so we just published a video and now we're out in the shop. We just now published it and now we're walking out here. We didn't unload last night because Maggie was sick, so we went on in. We're gonna work on getting this thing unloaded and hopefully go ahead and get it washed, so that's taken care of. We got a short week. We'll be racing on Friday at Boaz, like I said in the last video. So we're gonna get to work and hopefully we can knock this out in an hour or so, get back home and inside. Maggie is inside with Brad's mom, just because, I mean, she seems to feel a lot better today, but we just don't want her out in this pollen. I think it's really just allergies, but she's running a little bit low-grade fever and she's cutting teeth too, so I don't know if it's allergies or cutting teeth. She's been kind of a little bit under the weather since Thursday. She felt a little bit better yesterday, so we thought we'll take her, and then she got a little bit sick later on that night, which it wasn't terrible. She's just running a low-grade fever and nose running and stuff. But anyway, hopefully she gets feeling better in the next day or so. We're gonna get in here and see, what are you doing? You gonna unlock?
Unlock the door of that.
Put the phone down. Here, you'll get the shop doors open, and then we're gonna let this bad boy down and get her pulled out. Hopefully we won't have ricochets today. Christopher, what are you working on today? That's a little baby gun compared to what we were dealing with the other day. What are you working on? You doing a brake job on the old GMC?
Oh, it's setting all these years. The brake cylinders are leaking.
So
I got to get two to put on it.
He's either working 7 days a week at the chicken plant or he's working 7 days a week outside. He's always doing something. He can't just sit down.
I hit the brakes on it the other day and nearly got going through the bonnet.
Oh, well, that's not good. He's one of those guys that just can't slow down. He can't stop. He don't know how to sit down. He sits down to eat and that's about it. Unlike Brad, he likes to be a couch potato. Don't you, babe? So you like to be a couch potato, don't you?
A couch potato?
Yeah.
Who don't?
Your daddy don't.
Well, that's him.
Couch potato.
No, you're not eating all your food.
Yeah, I eat like a, I don't even know what. I don't eat very good. For something to make your life a little bit easier on wash day. Of course, we need a pressure washer. Need one of these bad boys. Makes everything so much easier, huh? I don't know what he just said. But you can get it at Walmart. I think we actually got the pressure washer. I don't remember where, I think we got it at Walmart. I really don't remember where we got the pressure washer, honestly. And then we got that little attachment at Walmart. I think we got it at Walmart though. If you don't have a pressure washer, you need one. And if you don't have one, check out our page, Warp Speed Promotions. Get you a number on there. We'll do giveaways on stuff like that every now and then. We actually gave one away not too long ago. So you guys check that out, Warp Speed Promotions. That's on Facebook. All right, so they just cut the car off. Brad, why do you do that after wash day?
What?
Why do you crank it? Instead of just rolling it back in the shop.
You don't want water to build up onto the distributor and plug wires. Cause rust and corrosion. You build up a little heat to dry it off. Get it dried off, and you shouldn't have no issues with it.
But also, you're trying to drain the antifreeze so we can pull the motor.
Well,
That's not what, that don't do anything. No.
Gets a little bit of it out, but not
Yeah.
much.
Kind of pukes it out a little bit.
Alright, go ahead and cap that back off over there.
We're gonna get over here. Chris is about to drain the antifreeze out of the motor. Because guess what? We're changing motors again this week. We're going to Boyd's Friday, and they're open motor. Or not open motor, but more open than Talladega is. So we're gonna put our topless motor in to go to Boyd's. So Chris right now is working on draining the antifreeze. Sorry, it may be loud. Brad's still washing tires. I'm gonna get over here so it won't be so loud. Well, I don't want to get over there. I can't tell you our secrets. Alright, he's draining it. Look at him working. Brad's working hard over here, getting all these tires cleaned up. Only had 8 to wash. And then we got wheel covers to wash. And then we got those to wash. And actually, I'm going to put her stroller out because it's filthy too and let him wash that. Give me just a second. Alright guys, so that sums up wash day. He's ready to go. They got the fenders off. We may or may not be swapping a motor this week, considering we're going to Boyd's like I was saying earlier. So you can run topless motors there. We may or may not put our topless motor in. We're ready if we do. But that's gonna sum up wash day. We appreciate everybody watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'm sure we'll see you at some point this week in the shop. If not, we'll see you on Friday at Boyd's.